As the second feature of SAM Pro in this video, we will demonstrate how the system monitors the performance of pumps and gives insights how to optimize and with that reduce energy consumption, carbon emissions, and extend the asset lifetime. By combining electrical data with real-time flow and pressure measurements, we can define the actual system curve instead of the technical or installation curve. There can be a big difference between the two, so defining the operating region will be useless if you are comparing it with the design curve. Close to the best performance curve is defined as preferable operating region, then we define the allowable operating region, and anything outside of this curve is bad pump behavior and food for optimization. Again, we are showing you the edge visualization, but different from the one we use for failure detection, because here you can see the system curve and data plots in real time. We start the test with a slight clogging of the discharge pipe, which is already a borderline condition. The red point is the current operating point of the pump, the white points indicate where it was operating a moment ago, so my colleague slightly closed the outlet valve and immediately we see a change in the operating conditions. Of course, this significantly increases the deterioration risk and we see a drop in the BEP alignment. Also note the large drop in system efficiency in the upper right corner. Going to the platform and scrolling down to the performance parameters, we get a 100% score of outside the operating regions and terrible BEP alignment. And in the event list, the system has automatically triggered an alarm telling the operator about this bad pump behavior and the possible actionable insights. And if we completely close the valve, obviously everything becomes even more severe. So imagine what damage can be done if an engineer forgets to open a valve after a maintenance routine on a Friday afternoon, and you only get informed on Monday morning instead of having immediate feedback from SAM Pro. Now, as you can see in the top right, the pump is now operating at approximately 2,900 RPM. Off camera, my colleague is changing the drive settings and decreases the speed. You will see the change at the top right. The pump now operates at 2.500 RPM. As you can see, due to the closed valve, we are still outside the pump's operating region. We are now opening the valve to go back to the designed operating range for this pump. It takes a few seconds to stabilize, but as you can see, performance of the pump goes up and we're back where we want to be in the preferable operating region. This is one of the optimization insights we provide to our users to reduce energy and extend the asset lifetime.